Okay, so let's make sure you got number 4 complete. So looking at your notes, what we were doing is we were taking each of the x values and adding 9. So we took each of these x values, and when we added 9, we got new x values. We also took all of the y values, and we minused 9. Okay, so each of these y values, we minused 9, and we got our new y values. Okay, so in this way, we can know where the image is going to be after it's been translated without even graphing it. So that can be very, very helpful, especially if we're feeling lazy and want to skip a step. Okay, so what we're going to do on numbers 5 through 7, we see that we had a point, m was at 12.7. After it was translated, it's now at negative 1, 14. Okay, and what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to write down what happened. Okay, so let's just think about it in terms of what happened to the x value and then what happened to the y value. So something happened. If I start at 12 and I move until I get to negative 1, what happened? Well, it looks like I was decreasing from 12 all the way to 0, and then I kept going to negative 1. So it looks like I decreased by 13. Okay, so my x values decreased by 13, which I would show by saying x minus 13. And that works because 12 minus 13 is negative 1. Okay, let's take a look at the y value. I went from 7 to 14. Oh, looks like I'm increasing this time. By how many? Let's see, to get from 7 to 14, I need to increase 7 times. So to write that algebraically, I would say y plus 7. Okay, now I want you to try 6 and 7 on your own. Go ahead and pause the video, and then we'll check your answers. Go. Okay, let's see how you did. So on number 6, the x's, to get from negative 6 to negative 5, increased 1. So we'd show x plus 1. The y's, to go from a negative 8 to a positive 2, increased 10. So we would show y plus 10. The x's decreased from negative 3 to negative 9. That was 6 times. X minus 6. The y's decreased by 7. So that's y minus 7. Okay, one more problem to do together, and then you'll get to work on your own. Here we go. So number 8, this graph is showing a translation from the pre-image ABC to the image ABC prime. We're going to mark each of the statements as true or false, and we're going to fix or correct anything that was wrong. Okay, now the triangle was translated from quadrant 2 to quadrant 4. Now let's remember our quadrants. This one is quadrant 1. This one is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. And this is quadrant 4. So did we start from quadrant 2 and go to 4? Nope. This is false. It actually happened the other way around. From 4 to 2. Okay, so it was false, and I fixed it. Alrighty. The next one, the translation can be represented by x plus 10 and y minus 10. Alright, let's check. So if we start at A, x plus 10 would mean that I go positive 10 this way. Oops! Nope. That is not true. This is false. So what did we do? We actually went negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we went minus 10 to get here. So it should be x minus 10. And the y should be plus, definitely. Let's see how many it should go. We went left 10, and we went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, yep. And we should go y plus 10. Okay, so they got their pluses and minuses backwards, but now we're fixed. Last, the translation preserved congruence, meaning that the shapes are the same because they're congruent. And the orientation, they're not facing different directions. Okay, this is a true statement. These shapes are congruent. The orientation, okay, where the vertices are facing, is the same as well. Okay, so that is a true statement. Okay, notes are done. So now it is your job to glue these into your notebook. And you have an assignment. This is Translations 1. Okay, and so you're going to complete the assignment. You are going to please glue this as well into your notebook. Okay, and remember, Miss Jones is going to be checking your notebook when I get back. All right, good luck.